How to fix Amazon is not showing your orders. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix Amazon is not showing your orders. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The following are common reasons why Amazon is not showing your orders. First, you have entered incorrect Amazon account. Second, you might have entered incorrect filters. Third, there might be payment processing delay. And fourth, purchasing unapproved items. Now, to fix these issues, confirm your Amazon account. If you have multiple Amazon accounts, confirm that you are logged into a proper account from which you check your orders. Check your search settings. Amazon allows you to filter orders by period or status. Your applied filters may hide your orders, so try adjusting them and avoid setting them to a limited range. Next, confirm your payment was received. There can be a payment authorization delay of up to 48 hours. Ensure that the card you use for purchase is active, has sufficient funds, and is one being charged for your order. Look for emails from Amazon or CISO regarding your payment or order status. You can always contact the CISO support team and ensure you provide the necessary transaction details. And if the issues still persist, check for the item approval. It's safe to have different payment options in place. This is because some products may not be approved using a specific payment mode, and you may not make an order. So, this is how you can fix Amazon is not showing your orders. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel Login Giants for similar helpful tutorials. See you on the next one.